What is going on, everybody? This is Black Apino, the Apple guy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a standard hard drive enclosure that you may have bought and you want to transfer from, say, a USB 3.0 to, say, a Thunderbolt Type C, or if I'm using a Mac, so it'd be a USB-C or Thunderbolt 3, or if you're using a PC, it'd basically be the same thing. It's just fancy words. But I'm going to be showing you how to swap from this, which is a standard hard drive enclosure with my solid state with a USB 3.0, to a USB-C. One of the main reasons why you want to do that is, one, speed and transfer rates are much faster with a solid state or with the USB-C than they are with the 3.1, and they're a lot more slimmer and thinner, and it just makes it much easier for you to do that. But that's the whole main reason why I have swapped from the USB 3 to the C, is because one reason, I don't have to use a adapter. This, I bought it from the Apple store. It's the simple USB to USB-C adapter, which is nice for some people if you want that. To me, it's just too long. It's too long of a cord, and it's just kind of hanging. I don't particularly like that anymore. My other external hard drive that I got, a USB-C Samsung one, is just a single USB-C cord from the hard drive, or from the SSD, to the back of the Mac, which is much easier to use. So I'm going to show you how to transfer your solid state from this into this. It's really easy, and at the same time I'm also going to show, if you're interested in wanting to get an SSD but you don't want to spend like $200-300 some odd dollars on one, but you still want the benefits of one, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Again, these are all bought from Amazon. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop this open, as you can see. It's a simple slide, pop open. This I bought from Best Buy. It's a PNY. It's a 240 gig solid state, although it's not very large to do a lot of stuff. You can use it for primarily, I use this one primarily for most of my 4K edit stuff. When I'm doing my 4K movies or videos, I use this as the final product disc. So when I'm done editing it and chopping it up and I'm done and I posted it, I put the rest on here, and that's about it. And as you can see, it's not a very big drive. It's pretty thin. So basically all you're going to do is you just take it and you just simply just give it a slight pull. You're not going to really damage it, and that's pretty much it. The interface is pretty simple. It's just like any other hard drive that you would have, that you've seen. It's a simple jack plug right there, and then that's your little plug-in right there. Now this is a 2.5 millimeter solid state. So basically, most of your external hard drives, as you can see, 2.5 inch, are pretty much all going to be the same. I mean, unless you get like a really fat one. But primarily all your solid states are going to be big unless you buy an external one by itself. But you do have holes on the side if you need to plug in the adapter. So that's that. So we're going to set this aside, and you can open up this. This comes with a USB C cord, so that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna pop this open. This one is more. This is kind of a plasticky feel. This one has a more it has a more aluminum brush feel. So I'm guessing it's probably gonna feel. It actually feels a lot more sturdier. Not sturdier. It just has a much better feel to it. So actually, it feels kind of. It would probably feel kind of like my Samsung T500. So that's what it looks like. That's your single USB-C plug-in, and so you do get a USB-C cord, as you can see here. And then it looks like some type of these are going to be like adapters or spacers. So if you plug it in and you get a little bit of gap, it doesn't sit all the way down. You basically can tape these to the bottom of the SD, and it kind of just makes it more even. And then some thank you card, and then this is pretty much just the instructions. Obviously it's in Chinese, but they do give it to you in English. So you just kind of have to find the English version, which will probably be in the back, because that's typically how they do it with these. And if you've never had a solid state before, basically what happens is once you put this in this drive to your computer, if it's a Mac, you're going to have to format it to Mac. If it's in Windows, you'll probably have to format it to Windows, although I think it will automatically if it's Windows. So it's pretty simple since mine's already been partitioned. Really don't have to worry about that. Pretty much we're just going to pop this open as soon as we figure out how to open it, because it doesn't really show you how to, which I thought was kind of weird. So obviously it probably slides off this way. So as you can see, just like the other one, you just basically pull, slide it, and then that's pretty much it. And then as you can see, the same interface as you have with the PNY. So that's that. And then you just basically would make sure that it pushes in, and as you can see, it does give a slight push up, but it is connected. It is connected to it. So these are designed just to keep it down if you want to keep it flush mounted. But once it's connected, it's fine. It's not really gonna damage it. And then you basically would just take this, just like it just connects back on. And that is it. That is how you turn that's how you turn a internal laptop SSD into an external. Plug in this, and that's pretty much it. So again, this is Black Apino, the Apple Guy. Please feel free to browse my channel, like and subscribe. I am going to be, once I reach 215 subscribers, I am going to be giving away a external hard drive. Thinking about doing a regular one, but actually what I think I might do is I think I'm probably going to change it up, and I think what I will do is I'm going to send somebody a solid state. It won't be like a terabyte or nothing like that. It'll be less. It'll be like a 240, somewhere around in that ground when it comes around there. And I will probably I'll probably hand that out again, because it's hard to get hard drive enclosures here, because nobody really buys them. We generally just get them online. But I'm debating on whether I might just do this and then send this out, or I might just give away just a regular terabyte hard drive and then give it to somebody. But once I reach 215 subscribers, then I will do that giveaway. And then once I reach 500 subscribers, I am going to be giving away a GoPro Hero, just like the one I'm recording on. So if you know all my other videos, if you see my last video, you know I'm going to be doing that. And then obviously at the end of the year, or if I can reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, I will be doing a iPad giveaway. I will be doing that. So pretty much it's the same as my other giveaway. You have to subscribe to my channel. Your channel has to be public, it can't be private, because then if I do a giveaway and you don't get it, then that's pretty much it for you. It won't count because your account is private, not public. And this is US only, although like I said, I'd like to send out something over to the overseas. It just would cost too much to do that for an iPad, and if it gets lost, that's a lot of money that I've lost out on, and then you won't get an iPad because someone lost it. So again, Black Apino, the Apple Guy. Like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice one.